everyone's the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one, came out of a Meow Mall box. Go to miauboxjapan.com. It's called the Nakama Noodles box. Use the coupon code the Ramenator. Get a nice discount, and it's rad. This is from Nissin, and this is a special cream, tomato, spicy, sweet cheese noodle cup. It sounds weird. I don't know that I'm gonna like it, but we will find out today. Seems like a thing to do. Takes 3 minutes. There's everything from the cup. And let's begin. There we are. So I know. Usually I use a little plastic cup. But I'm trying to get this done. I got like 6 minutes, and then she'll be on her break. So I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way and just stir it and stir it and stir it and stir it. That's right. Turn it over a couple times. It'll hydrate, don't worry. It'll happen. So, what's going on? Over 2,000 people arrested in pro-Palestinian protests. Pro-Palestinian protests. Pro-Palestinian. Say that like 10 times. Actually, it's not hard to say pro-Palestinian protest. Is pro-Palestinian protest a double positive because it's pro and protest? I don't know. But attribute and attribute. That word is weird. Here we go, it's breaking up. And I know, it usually would just do it on its own in a cup, but I'm giving it a little help along here. I'd love it to be really good, but I have my suspicion that this is not going to be all that great. Mainly because when it mentions things like spicy sweet tomato, the sweet is very pronounced, and I'm not a big fan of that. Spicy, I don't mind. Usually that's kind of on the back burner. And at 56 after, we have 1 minute 3 seconds to go. But you're releasing more of the wheat gluten into it, so it's not like it would be if you steeped it in the cup. I don't know. It used to be people really would harp on me for everything, and now they don't. Did I gain their respect, or did they just don't care? I'll take either. The less people harping on me, the better. I just got a thing. I got a spam thing, and it tells like website group administrators that, or Facebook group admins, that their group, they're not allowed to post. They've gone against their blah 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 this and that. It's total spam. It's totally fake. Trust me, because it said I wasn't allowed to post, and then I went in and I went, oh look, I can post. Stupid. But yeah, that stuff, not really a fan. It's like, don't you have anything better to do? Alright, here we are. So we've got our noodle. It kind of had a darkness to it. Very dark tan, which made me think of Nissin chicken ramen, like the 1958 Kyoka-chan adorned product. So it might be a pre-seasoned noodle on its own. There you go. Oh, that's strange. There's the broth. So what I'm getting out of this is, like, if you got a can of Campbell's tomato soup and you made it with milk and you added like a slice of Velveeta in there while it was cooking and you let it ensconce into the broth. Kind of like that. It's not bad. It actually, it's kind of nice. And you know what? I wasn't really even thinking about this aspect. But you know what I think would actually make it even better is a little Chinese sausage. It fits. It seems like a very Western kind of profile. So I'm gonna. Not that Chinese sausage is a very Western thing, but you know, I think I'm leaving it at that. I think that's respectable. Watch it go. Just watch. Alright, so the next one you're going to see is this Jujosu Konjac Baodu noodle with sesame sauce from China. And yeah, this one, literally, you take the noodle, you put it in a strainer, and then you run hot water over it and rinse it a few times, and that's it. So that'll be on the next episode of Mince Noodle Recipe Time, probably a short one. This is Vinod's the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.